When you first look at beauty and brokenness here, you might not realize that there's actually order inside the chaos. So let's take a look. Here we have these pentagon shapes that are secretly hexagon twists, and they're flowing over, and we're getting these flagstone boundaries flowing around and around and around, and we can get all the way around with those flagstone boundaries. And it's just the center that's broken up and overlapping. So this center actually will repeat outside of the current tessellation, and it has 6 positions. It's a position of 6-fold rotational symmetry. And I mean, this piece is so dense, I didn't really want to fold it on a finer division grid, but it does eventually repeat.